We're in the Looking Glass community in Parker, Colorado today. I'm Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. Stick around and join me for the tour of the Riverbend by Dreamfinders Homes. It's a great ranch plan. I think you're gonna love it. Welcome inside. First of all, I love how open this feels right when I walk in. Let's show you what I mean. Taken to the left here, look at this. Look how big and open this is. The first thing that we're gonna come to, double doors leading into your home office. Nice window there, looking out into the front porch. And the rest of this is secondary bedrooms and bathroom. So first secondary bedroom is right over here. Again, window looking out towards the front of the home. Got a linen closet here. And our next secondary bedroom, that window's looking out towards the side of the home. And bathroom, which is shared between these bedrooms. Toilet and shower or tub in its own little space there. And here we are out back by the front door. Now it was open that way. Look, it's open this way too. That's why it feels so, open and airy when you first walk in. I forgot what this is. I bet it's a coat closet. Yep, coat closet. We got laundry room over here. From this side, we have the stairs leading down to the basement. Finished basements are an option here. They have it finished in the model, so we'll check that out in a minute. Now look at this. It opens up and it feels just huge in here. Okay, let's check out this kitchen. Nice long island, 4 chairs comfortably pulled up, sink and dishwasher here in the island. Good amount of countertops and cabinets in here. We did the hood and the gas range here in the model. Right over here, this is your mudroom space, so entrance in from your garage. Got a nice big coat closet, and check out this pantry. Alrighty. Coming over this way, we are into the dining room space. They got the extra long table in here, so you got plenty of space in this dining room. It really feels roomy, and it feels all the better with all these windows. We got the window over here. We got the big slider door leading out onto the deck. Yeah, I like the feel of this main living space. Great room, obviously. Again, nice big window. They feature the model with a fireplace. But yeah, great main living space. All right, back tucked away behind the fireplace here is where we're gonna find the primary bedroom. Again, feels nice and big in here. They put the tray ceilings in here. You could do that in your home. And into the bathroom, double sink vanity here. Got the tub going on, a window in here letting in that natural light. Shower, nice big walk-in closet. Toilet closet. And that does it for the main floor, but I think it's a pretty spectacular main floor. What do you think? Feels just a lot of ranches seem very similar. This one feels a little different, and I don't know, like the feel of it. So if you're looking for a ranch, come check this one out, see what you think. All right, here we are. Let's go down. Welcome to the basement. When I come down, don't be moving yet. We got the little bar right here. Fun, but yeah, you just walk right out into your bonus room area, and this is a huge bonus room because it's a ranch. You got lots of square footage down here. This is a walkout basement, meaning you can walk out. They got the doors leading out, but obviously gives you lots more light in your basement. So, but look at this room over here. They got the big old sectional in here, TV area. Even more space over here, whether you like the, what is this, table hockey or something. Whether you're ping pong, pool, you can fit it all down here. Love this bonus room. All right, coming back over this way, let's go look over here first. Got the bathroom. Got a linen closet, that leads to storage, and then basement bedroom. Nice size too. All right, Again, my name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor in Looking Glass in Parker, Colorado, looking at homes by Dreamfinders. If you think these might be the right homes for you, definitely give me a ring. Love to meet you out here, see if these are the right homes for you. If not, help you find that right home. I have a ton of experience in new built home sales, so especially if you're shopping new built, give me a call. Love to walk by your side through the process, help you save a little bit of money with my closing cost credit. Also, of course, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my home tours. Thanks for joining me today, and have a super day.